are on the Half Moon, which is a replica of the ship that Henry Hudson sailed in 1609. This is the first European vessel to document coming into the Hudson River. And this occurred in September of 1609. The ship entered literally right over here, not far from where we're anchored, and by September 19th it was in Albany, New York. So this crew of 7th grade students from the master's school has been sailing with us for almost a week now. We started from Catskill, New York, and we've slowly been making our way down, essentially recreating the voyage that Hudson made as he was departing the rivers. This dates from the 1630s. The great thing about it is we can, in many places, we can actually use this very chart to navigate up and down the Hudson River. Right in here, we have Stony Point and Verplank Point and Peekskill. And you can see it's just as it is today when you come around through here, and then Jones Point across from Peekskill. The Bear Mountain Bridge goes right across here.
In 1609, it was a big deal for little 12-year-olds would be hired by Henry Hudson to come on this journey. And at school, we did projects before we came on the boat, and there were questions that we had to answer.
Totally.
And one of them was draw a self-portrait of yourself, so in case you don't come back, your loved ones can remember you. So that was also interesting.
The work that he did was really like that of a natural scientist. He had a hypothesis about an alternate route to the Spice Islands of the Indies. He set out to test this hypothesis by sailing his different routes. Every 30 minutes that he was sailing, he was taking a range of measurements. So indeed what these students are doing with all of the science work that they're doing is replicating exactly the work that Hudson would have been doing. And in many cases we're using the same tools he did, and in some cases we're using modern tools.